Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari sa mga fertilizer? At magkano per unit? Sir.
Mr. Chair, for from the record of LTO, we have procured 756 units of breathalyzers.
How much is it each unit, sir?
Unfortunately, I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, I was not able to get that data from our
I can give you them out now.
county.
$68,000 per unit. Sir. 68,000. Napakamahal yata kasi sir, nag-check kami diyan sa sa US. Mataas ang standard nila. 5,000 pesos lamang. Sa US po, 5,000 to 14,000 ang isang fertilizer. Sa Thailand, 3,000 pesos katumbas. Sa China, 22,000. Pero doon na lang tayo sa US, 5,000 to 14,000. Bakit po sobrang mahal? Masyadong mahal po, sir.
Mr. Chair, please allow us to seek the information from our procurement because we are just the end user, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sino-sino ilan po yung fertilizer na na-procure ninyo? Ulit?
Mr. Chair, this was distributed to all the regional offices from
Okay.
Region 1 to including NCR, CARC, and Caraga.
All right.
Initially, there was also 50 units transferred to the PNP,
50 units to the PNP. Okay.
215 units to MMDA,
200.
15 units to MMDA.
Okay. MMDA. Okay.
This is for a total of 756 units, Mr. Chair.
Na-flag down kayo ng COA, Commission on Audit. At merong worth 51 million pesos na mga kagamitan kasama na yung fertilizer na nakatenga lamang sa inyong ahensya sa stockroom at hindi nagagamit. Galing po ito sa COA. 51 million. Hindi lang naka-specify kung ilan dito ay fertilizer. Lalabas po ito sa budget hearing. Attorney Artes.
Yes, Your Honor. Since MMDA was mentioned, yes, we received some units of breath analyzers from LTO, but we returned them because it was not calibrated, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
I remember at the time, then Chairman, the late Danilo Lim, tested the breath analyzer by asking one of his security to drink alcohol and try the breath analyzer. And it registered 0 alcohol level. That's why we returned it, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung fertilizer na 68,000 pesos, ang halaga lang noon, wala pa sa piso dahil palpak. You returned it.
That's what I recall, Your Honor. We returned all of it, Your Honor.
All
why
the
we don't-
215 units din.
Yes, all of the units. I don't recall, Your Honor, the exact number, but after the test conducted, then at the time it was, I think, even before pandemic, we returned all the units, Your Honor. that we
Every
received.
single one of them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Tumatas na kami yung PNP. PNP, nabigyan kayo ng 50 breathalyzer na worth 68,000 bawat unit. Anong nangyari doon?
Yes, sir. 2 to 3 years ago, sir, we also received that units, but we returned, sir, because
Doon na
it was
naman.
not calibrated.
Lahat return to sender.
Yes, sir.
Cheese. Dahil hindi calibrated and it didn't work. Okay. LTO, sir. So kung hindi nag-work yung mga ipinasa nyo sa kanila, nakapareho lang naman doon sa, sabi nyo, ipinasa nyo sa iba't ibang mga district ninyo, regional office nyo. So, hindi nag-work. Anong ginawa nyo?
Mr. Chair, that period, I'm sorry, but I'm not trying to evade, but then I assumed the position on July 2023. So I'm not, I think this, the distribution and the situation were not, when I was not in the law enforcement service, Mr. Chair.
Okay, it
May I-
was,
Please allow us, me again, to go and to look into this.
and who was the person in charge of procurement at that time? Comsec, patawag natin. Okay, kung sino man yun. Anong pangalan?
I will check, Mr. Chair,
Check,
to be sure.
and then ipapatawag natin sa susunod na hearing.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gusto namin makita in terms of reference para malaman yung specification kung worth it ba yung 68,000. Pero ngayon pa lamang, husgan ko na. Hindi worth it dahil hindi na, pumapalya eh. It's not worth it because it doesn't work. It didn't work.